Welcome. My name is Santos, and then I'm with Engine One Performance out of Phoenix, Arizona. And today we're going to talk about piston compression height. Let's get started. Okay, here are the numbers to figure out compression height. Deck height, 9 inches, 247. The stroke on the crankshaft is 4 inches. Half of the stroke is 2 inches, right here. So now the rod length is 6 inches, 125, and the piston is below 20 thousandths of the deck, which give us the compression height at 1 inch, 102 thousandths. So now I'm gonna show you the deck height, how to figure out the deck height. Deck height is housing board, the center of the housing board, to the top of the block. That is your deck height. And the stroke is the center of the crank to the center of the rod journal, which is going to be 2 inches. Rod length is the center of the housing board to the center of the pin end. That gives us 6 inches, 125 rod length. The deck of the piston to the center of the wrist pin give us the compression height is 1 inch, 102 thousandths. Now with all these numbers, the 2 inch, 6, 125, and 20, you minus it from the deck, which gave us 1 inch, 102 thousandths. Hope this helps you, and thank you for watching. And look us up on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, okay? Check out our website, engine1performance.com, and you can view all the products that we're selling. And please don't forget to buy a t-shirt from us. Thank you.